I'm Bharat, and I represent the organization Shankara from India. We are a network of eye hospitals spread across the country with a mission to eliminate curable blindness across the country. We started off as a two-room medical center. Our founders, Dr. Ramani and Dr. Radha Ramani, in their mid-20s, wanted to do something back to the society. So that's when they decided to volunteer their time and set up this medical center. And today, we are a network of 9 eye hospitals spread across the country, with a vision to enable 20 such hospitals by the year 2020. So we work on a vision of 20 by 20 by the year 2020, which will serve 1 million rural poor every year totally free. If you look at the magnitude of blindness, 1/4 of the world's blind live in India. And what is unfortunate is 90% of them are in rural areas, where there is a question about affordability, there is a question about accessibility and availability of healthcare services. And to top it all, 80% of this blindness is either preventable or treatable. That's where we step in. We work on a unique cross-subsidy model, which works on an 80-20 ratio. 80% of what we do is for the rural poor, and 20% of what we do is for paid services. And this paid services cross-subsidizes the 80% of what we do. So if you look at it, every paid patient treated directly supports 4 patients who are going to be treated totally free. And we are into the comprehensive eye care business, wherein from basic removal of foreign bodies to complex ocular oncology services are done under one roof. If we look at our program of reaching out to the rural areas, we start off with a field survey. We go door to door. Our field workers are trained to identify visual defects. So they go door to door, identify those who need further intervention, refer them to come to a camp, where on the day of the camp, a team of doctors and paramedics review those patients who've been asked to come. And those who are identified with needing further intervention are transported to the base hospital in our own vehicles. And once at the hospital, again, they are reviewed to ensure that we doubly confirm the need, what intervention is to be done. And then surgery is done if required. They are accommodated, housed, food is provided absolutely free of cost. And then glasses and medicines are distributed. And we drop them back with the gift of vision. And we don't stop there. We go back 1 month, again back to the same villages to ensure quality outcome of our services. So at no cost there is any compromise on quality. We also have a pediatric program where we cover the entire gamut of 0 to 18 age group. We've realized that teachers are the best modes to identify visual defects in school-going children. So that's become a national model now. A lot of other organizations are replicating that. So they are trained to identify visual defects. They keep certain students available for us who they think that have some visible problems in the eye. Our team goes, screens them, and ensures any sort of support is provided, again, absolutely free of cost. From the range of glasses to surgery are provided totally free. If you look at our network now, we started off with the southern part of the country in a place called Coimbatore. And now we are spread across the country with hospitals in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Mumbai, Gujarat, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. And if you look at the larger scenario with leaders in eye care, we are probably the leader in terms of free eye care we are providing to the community. And if you put all of them together as well, we probably are reaching out to 10 to 15% of the population, which is needy. And now our intention is to expand across the country. The ones in blue are where we are intending to go to. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh are some of the states where we have already identified and we are going to go there. If you look at our scaling journey, we've moved from where we were in the last decade. We've grew by 9 times as far as the number of hospitals are concerned. Our surgeries improved by 4 times. And if you look at the most important component of revenue, we increased it by 20 times. So the revenues grew 20 times and the paid surgeries also had grown 20 times. And what has been the impact so far? Till date, we have reached out to over 1.2 million free individuals, providing them with surgery. Over 4.6 million children have been screened, and over 100,000 glasses have been distributed totally free. And if you look at it, why free? 55% of our beneficiaries are women, which leads us to the fact that in rural areas where women do not have decision-making responsibilities, they probably shrug from taking the uptake of services is poor. So we've realized that providing services free, in fact, improves the uptake of services amongst women. And we've also developed the Shankara technique, which has improved our surgical skills. So we are at a 98.8% percentage of success rate is what we have evolved. And our governance, we have our board of trustees who have been with us for over a period of time. They have all been volunteer doctors who joined us at that point in time. And today we have a steering committee which looks at our day-to-day responsibilities. They are all, again, people who've been connected with Shankara, are leaders in different industries who contribute their time to review our strategies, to guide us in terms of where we are headed. We have a leadership council of which I am a part of it too. We have presidents who look at various verticals who are accountable for delivery, and the unit heads. So each of the hospitals have unit heads who directly report to us. So we have a well structured governance team. And if you look at the self-sufficiency status, we continue to grow. And if we were an organization which were to stop expanding and say, I'm going to be focusing only on profits, we would be cash flow positive. But that's not our vision. Our vision is to ensure we reach out to the maximum and we continue to grow. And what are we here for? We are looking at, a hospital needs a minimum of $7 million to be built. And we have assured funding from our big-time partners, Shankara Eye Foundation, based here in the Bay Area, who are our sole drivers to ensure we reach out to the maximum part of the country, have assured us funding for $4 million for every hospital. And we have some deferred credit also from the supply. So we are here to raise $2.5 million. And I take this opportunity to invite you all to join us in our mission for vision and just prevent people from being needlessly blind. Thank you.